Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day of Christmas card. Every year I do a lot of Christmas card. For this year today is the last day and we are going to paint something very simple like we always do. So first let's create a candle with the help of pencil. So you don't have to do anything much, just create a fine oval shape and then you can have a nice rectangle kind of pattern. You can create some flames and then at the bottom we are going to paint multiple elements. So that is something we needed, but we have created an outline for the candle only. Now with the help of very lighter shade of gray color, so just go around the candle structure that we have created with the tip of your brush, and we need very lighter shade of gray color. So what we are going to do is we are going to spread the color with the help of clean water, and we can paint it on a very lighter side so that we can create a white candle, which is very difficult to do when you are doing this on the white sheet. So this is the easiest way to do something like this, right? So with the help of grayish shade and that too on the lighter side, you can do something like this. Now with the help of lemon yellow color, this color is more on the vibrant side, just go around, keep a small negative space in between and create a candle flame like this. And now you can see we have a small negative space, which is important, so keep that negative space. And then just try to have a darker color at the base from where the flame is coming, and you can just try to have a small dots of red in between. So something like this you can do, and at the end if you want you can just spread the yellow color a little bit to avoid any hard edges. So that's all we needed for the candle. So I am creating only one, but you can create multiple candles with different height, and likewise you can change the greeting card as per your need. This is just an idea what you can do. So I'm almost done with the candle. I'm creating some lines with the help of gray color, and we don't want very hard lines, so you can just blend it with the help of clean water as well. So do it until you're satisfied, but make sure you're not overdoing it, otherwise you will ruin your structure. Now with the help of green color, I am creating some pine leaves here, and I am creating some spikes like this. So you can create a substring and then you can create different node in between the substring, and from that particular node you can create multiple spikes. And likewise you can easily paint a pine leaf, which is more relevant to Christmas, and that is why I'm doing it. Otherwise you can try your own stuff. You can place some gifts, you can paint some different kind of leaf, you can paint some berries, totally up to you how you like to compose your greeting card. So likewise I have created two pine leaves, one on the left side and one on the right side, and I'm using tip of my brush to paint spikes like this. So if you have a bigger brush also, it is possible to paint something like this if you have control over your brush. Otherwise try to use fine brush to paint something like this. Now with the help of red color, I'm creating some simple flower here. These are 5 to 6 petal flowers, round in shape and small negative space in between. Now to get different perspective, you can keep the shape of the petal a little bit different from each other. In fact, you can also create variation with the help of size of the petal as well. So basically you can create a group like this. So I have created 3 flowers here, a small negative space in between. Either you can keep the white area as is, or you can use little bit of darker color to create the center part of the flower. I'm using black color for the same. So I have created 3 flowers here, 2 pine leaves, and I don't want to do much. I want to keep it simple and easy and for last minute also. So now let's paint couple of leaves. So these are two strokes leaves. You need to combine these two strokes together. You can keep a fine negative space in between the leaf also, totally fine, totally up to you. And these are one stroke leaves, so you need to understand how much pressure you are applying into your brush and in which direction you need that particular stroke. So likewise you can paint some longer leaves as well in between to finish. And then at the end you can write something like Merry Christmas or whatever message you like to write. And we are done with today's video. See how beautiful this greeting card is, easy and simple and for last minute as well. And with the help of yellow color I did little bit of leaf kind of pattern in between to have a little contrast. Now last thing which I am going to do is outlining the candle with the help of pen, which is totally optional. So if you feel like your structure is not that visible, you can definitely do an outlining with the help of pen. So this is the final step and we are done with today's video. Hope this video is easy and simple to follow, and please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me. And thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas in advance to everyone.